that. First, we're going to take a recipient and put the pellet of mask. Just a little bit. And we're going to do the same with water. We're going to put a little bit. And then with a spoon, we're going to mix. Mix and mix and mix. Then when you see that it don't have lumps and it's well crumbled, you can finish. And then a little bit more of mask. And then again a little bit of water. And then mix like always. And you will take the soda and literally like baking a little bit. And take the spoon and mix like always. And this will be the final ingredient, the activator, that is detergent. You know this step is like mix. And the final step is to put a little bit more of detergent, and that's it. Mix. When all you see is a wall, is that finished. And that's the way how it needs to look and feel. So relaxing. I remember the portion is how much do you want to do, and that's it. You can play or whatever you do. It's like relaxing, so relaxing, really.